Hello everyone, my name is NAYNAMO. I'm performing some amazing magic trick. I'm going to tell you the secret. I performed this on the stage and I'm going to reveal the secret now. So make sure you watch this complete video. Hit it. First of all, I'm just going to shuffle this deck till I'm satisfied. And what's your name?
ABC.
That's a good name, no doubt. I'm just going to take this pen and write down a prediction on the last card. Well, that's alright. Just take this last card and put it inside my pocket. Everything looks fine. I just want you to say stop wherever you like.
Stop.
Okay, you said stop here. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. This is the card where you said stop. And I just want you to read out what's written on the prediction. A red color card.
Okay.
See, a red color card. You can see this is a red color card, and also your name is on this card. So, what next? The secret, you're going to need a card which has already written a red color card, and you're just going to take this card and put it inside your pocket like this. And now it doesn't matter how much I shuffle this deck. When I meet someone new, I just ask their name. So that's the point to notice. You first ask their name. So in this case, we are having the name as ABC. I will just find out a red color card, and luckily I'm having it already. So I'm just going to write down ABC on this card. While saying that, I'm actually write down prediction, but I'm saying that I'm writing prediction, but I'm actually writing the name of that person. Like this, I wrote ABC instead of the prediction. Now what I do is that I just put this card inside my pocket, but actually I'm just putting inside my pocket the second last card, not the last card, like this. And the card with name is still here. And now I tell to say stop anywhere. Doesn't matter where they said stop. They said stop here, the card will be same. Why? This is called Hindu shuffle. Only the top pile of the deck is being removed. They said stop wherever they like. They said stop here. The last card is ABC. Now you just show them. That's the card. Don't show them long. First take out the prediction. Remember this card we put there at the starting of the show? Yes. We show them this card. A red color card. They read it out. And yes, of course that's a red color card. And with their name on the card. Just like this. If you really like the video, then make sure you subscribe my channel for new videos. I'm going to upload really good magic secrets. You're going to love them. So thanks a lot for watching. Share this video, comment down below.